तो हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो। होप करता हूँ सब लोग एकदम बढ़िया होंगे, एकदम मजे में होंगे। एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ मार्वल्स फ्यूचर एवोल्यूशन। अगर आप लोगों ने इस चीज़ का पिछला एपिसोड मिस आउट कर दिया तो आई बटन पे जो क्लिक करके देख लेना, आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा। और जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा पिछले एपिसोड में कि हम लोगों ने अपना गेम को स्टार्ट किया। हमने काफ़ी सारे हीरो से खेला। जैसे पहले आए, क्या नाम है, अपने स्टार लॉर्ड, उसके बाद आए अपने ब्लैक विडो, और उसके बाद स्पाइडरमैन, आयरन मैन, फिर उसके बाद स्टॉर्म, फिर डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज। काफ़ी सारे ऐसे हीरोज़ आए। हमने फिर कैप्टन अमेरिका को चूज़ किया एज आ स्टार्टिंग, और हमारा अभी चैप्टर 1 सैम्बल चल रहा है। और आइए देखते हैं अभी इस एपिसोड में क्या होगा। अभी चलते हैं आगे। ओके, कन्वर्जेंस मैप।
I think I finally found a problem that I can't solve with science alone. Earths from different dimensions have merged into one. Convergence. And even though we've slowed it down for now, it's not over. And the only way we can stop the process is by giving it everything we've got.
भाई साहब, ओके। अरे करना क्या है मुझे ये तो बताओ। एक मिनट, यहाँ पे कुछ आ रहा है। हीरो इन्फो। ओके, मेल बॉक्स में कुछ आया हुआ है। ओके, लेट्स गो। हमें 10 से मिल गया, गोल्ड मिल गया, काफ़ी बढ़िया। ओके, यहाँ से निकलते हैं, मिशन की तरफ चलते हैं अपने। लेकिन मिशन है कहाँ पे? मैप वैप में को दिख नहीं रहा।
I'm sure by now you're aware of the convergence, correct?
There are long scientific explanations. Okay, जल्दी हो गया। It is a phenomenon where Earths from multiple dimensions cross over into the same reality. When that happens, those Earths are doomed to collide with one another and be destroyed. Citizens of countless Earths have tried to stop the convergence process, but they ended up being obliterated along with their worlds. There was no way to stop the cycle of destruction. That is until Omega Flight came along. How did this Earth manage to survive?
We were able to avoid the worst, not without sacrifice.
The Vision used his abilities to phase our entire planet right before the collision. Our technology helped to amplify his powers, allowing him to bring the other converging worlds into sync with our own. As a result, multiple Earths have been merged into one, the same world you're standing on now. We call it the primary Earth. Vision, no.
His sacrifice gave everyone hope.
Thanks to Vision, we had time to research ways to maintain our world's new status quo. We were able to locate the unique frequencies emitted from his synthesized. By boosting those frequencies, we can maintain a harmonic balance between these merged worlds and prevent Earths from colliding. Even after his death, Vision is still protecting us. We created the Vision Core here at Project Pegasus to regulate those frequencies. However, we know our efforts are only a temporary solution. The convergence is still happening to Earths in other dimensions and will eventually find its way here again. Okay. Unless we can find a way to stop it for good. I understand to protect my own heart, the best is to seek answers here, right?
Yes. Our ultimate goals are to figure out why the convergence happened and how to prevent another one.
And we can't possibly do it alone, that's where you came in. But I think that's more than enough history for now. You'll learn more during your time here. I have time to get back to work. But if you have any Tony Stark is right over there. Tony Stark is right over there. Okay. Where the hell is Tony Stark? हेलो, क्या करना है मुझे? Aha. Chapter 2, New World Order.
New Stark City. My ultimate creation.
Ultron?
Sure, I had a little help. But if it's got my name on it, that means it's my responsibility. Still, even I can't save the world alone. That's where Hank comes in.
अबे ये अल्ट्रॉन अबे ये देखो 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 भाई साहब.
And Fury gets some credit too, I suppose.
फ्यूरी टोनी को रोक ले, कांड करेगा ये पूरी दुनिया में.
What we've managed to build together is just about as perfect as it gets.
देखो भाई, टोनी स्टार्क ने कर दिया कांड.
This city is built on lies,
किंगपिन.
but under my rule, I can make it flawless again.
स्पाइडरमैन कहाँ पे है तू?
Only together can we obtain that which we seek. Perfection.
So, I'm guessing Hank already explained our world's situation to you in detail.
You know, when he said we were getting a new recruit, I had no idea he had drafted a heavy hitter like you. Not that I'm complaining, trust me, we all need help sometimes, okay? Saving the world is one thing, but protecting entire universes, yeah, that's a totally different story. That's exactly why we created the Ultrons, to help with the small stuff while we focus on the big picture. Anyway, I know how exhausting interdimensional travel can be, but we've got to put you through some tests. Sorry, standard protocol. We'll start with something easy and close to home. You're gonna love New Stark City, please, I promise. And you'll get to know more about the Ultrons, the city's main defense system, which will definitely come in handy. I already know plenty about
Easy. You'll get answers to all your questions soon enough.
Just head down to the hangar when you're ready, and if you happen to see Nick Fury on your way there, tell him I said hi, but try to not listen to Officer any crazy
Catch you later.
conspiracy theories. Okay, let's go.
So, how's it feel to get drafted into the most dangerous mission in the universe?
You will do just fine here at Omega Flight as long as you keep your eyes open. नहीं तो समझ में नहीं आता, सिर्फ एक लाइन बोलते हैं, दूसरी लाइन बाकी सब मुझे बोलनी पड़ती है. See, our president Genie say payment stock blindly trust the technology, but for my since my gut tells me that there's something wrong with those Ultrons they've got defending the city. I could use someone like you to observe the situation objectively, report anything unusual to find back to me.
No more time for chatter.
Okay. Okay, Fury, okay. New Stark City. New Stark City plays a key role in primary Earth's existence. टोनी स्टार्क ने मेरी पूरी शहर का नाम पूछ रख लिया. Oh, let's go.
I've got my mission.
Okay. यहाँ पे कुछ आ रहा है.
Hey there.
Why am I the only one who seems to be walking around here? You must be the new agent Dr. Pym told me about. This episode hits the ground running. How can I be of service? First, I wanted to welcome you to the research sector. As you can imagine, Omega Flight values its privacy and security. That means you'll need to go through a clean life progress. You will find your registration data once you go to these coordinates. All you have to do is bring the data to George Kaggle. Simple.
Take it easy.
Okay. Registration data. I'm not sure what you await. Did Moo send you? These are the city records from the convergence. Looks like she tried to trick you into doing her job for her. She got a reputation for messing around with new agents. Sorry for the hassle. अबे इसकी तो साली ने टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया. जॉर्ज कैसल का एक और आ गया.
Time to report in.
Managing records a cool job. The answer for today's problems can turn. Maybe I can help make up for the weak trick Moore pulled on you by giving you some information that could prove useful for a new agent. You'll learn, but it doesn't hurt. You'll find a small module when you go to these coordinates. Access the module if you want to learn more about the known regions of the primary Earth. If you have trouble, go find Filbert Smith. He is in charge of the modules.
Till next time.
Sorry about that, you should be able to access the module in 2 hours, and it's not your authorization that is the problem. The electrons in the city started malfunctioning. Oh, and by the way, welcome to Omega Flight.
Good luck.
Okay. Talk to Tony Stark.
Time for you to say hello to your new best friend.
These Ultron units can execute extremely complicated commands without any problems. Ultron, I need you to scan our new friend's biometrics. If you think they like you, spin your head. If not, give them a little push from behind. Go on and place your hand on a drone, it won't bite.
Let's do this again sometime.
Reconnecting to network infrastructure.
Huh, that's odd. I should have listened to my command.
They usually work better than this, I swear. I need to track down whoever sent this faulty drone up from the lab. According to the data log, it was Agent Karasi Payne. Could you please let her know what happened and that Tony is not thrilled? Okay. Select a reward.
Better than ever.
Oh. एक नया ड्रेस खुल गया क्या? Oh yes, let's go. Let's go. काफी बढ़िया लग रहा है. Nice. Okay. हमारा अगला मिशन है go to the particle lab. Android Awakening start. तो गाइस मुझे कमेंट में जो बताना है कि आपको सीरीज कैसी लग रही है.
That Ultron was broken? That doesn't make any sense. I ran a full diagnostic on it earlier and
भाई साहब तो रोने लग गई. If an Ultron malfunctions, could it attack innocent people?
these units are incapable of attacking.
Dr. Pym and Mr. Stark approve the systems themselves. If you don't believe me, you're welcome to help me. Security Ultron 1968-07 attack all life forms in your sector. Oh!
Control, do you copy? The Ultrons are attacking agents.
Hey, into the shutdown code. I don't care if it fries the circuits in every single Ultron.
Yes, sir. Entering in the code now.
ओ भाई सब क्या हो गए? ओ नहीं
Gotta keep fighting.
साले टोनी स्टार्क तू पागल है। ओ भाई सब ये क्या है?
Prepare for combat. Destroy all Ultron units in sight.
What in the world is going on? What code did you enter that made the Ultrons go berserk?
It was the shutdown code, but obviously it didn't work the way it was supposed to. Huh.
Gotta keep fighting. Something isn't right. Gotta keep fighting. Let freedom ring.
ये ले निकल जा यहाँ से।
Gotta keep fighting.
ओ भाई सब इधर और है। हटो।
Losing my touch.
भाई सब कितने आ गए? ओ भाई टोनी स्टार्क पागल है भाई।
Gotta keep fighting.
ये ले
Something isn't right. Gotta keep fighting.
Transfer complete. Initiating self-destruct sequence.
सर बट व्हाई समथिंग नॉट राइट हियर।
Sorry you got thrown right into the chaos so soon after you arrived.
You got enough on your plate already, but I need to report me with that. No. भाई कांड हो गया भाई। अल्ट्रॉन्स ने तो पूरी जिंदगी बर्बाद करके रख दी। ओके टोनी स्टार्क तो भाई पागल निकला। टोनी स्टार्क तो पागल निकला।
Blasted Ultrons. Didn't I tell you something like this would happen?
Things may have leveled off for now, but there are still too many of those tin cans out in the field. I need to help him suspend all Ultron operations. Well, what are you waiting for? That was an order.
No more time for chatter.
Good, you're back. I hope that Director Fury wasn't too hard on you.
He was too hard on me. Believe it or not, our Nick is actually one of the nicer ones I've encountered. Anyway, Tony and I are checking the Ultron error and that's strange. I've lost power to the main computer grid. That shouldn't even be possible. Can you go check if there are any problems with the generator control system while I try to get things up and running again from here?
Best of luck out there.
Okay.
Okay, the generator has definitely been damaged. Not sure how though.
गाइस अगर आपको ये पढ़ना है तो पॉज करके वीडियो को पढ़ लेना। मैं भी पढ़ के थक चुका हूँ। Okay, let's go.
Well, the good news is that the power to the main systems is restored.
ओके श्योर श्योर डॉक्टर श्योर। जिंदगी में बस ये करते रहे हम, तुम्हारे लोगों की हेल्प करते रहे।
I've been expecting you.
Didn't you hear? There are Ultrons in New Stark City that are malfunctioning. You'll have to keep your guard yourself. Oh man, that's not good at all. The Ultrons that are set on patrol are capable of doing some major damage. Please find them and take them out before they hurt anyone. Okay. तुम्हारी तो Hey hero, I know you're probably busy saving all sorts of worlds, but it sounds like someone is in big trouble. Any chance you could spare a moment and help her out? Being a hero means that every lens counts. Thank you so much for coming. Elsa Timmons. As soon as the Ultrons started attacking the city, our family left for the shelter, but we were too late. The Ultrons attacked my husband, bought us some time to evacuate by leaving them away from us. You'll need to find him, please, I'm begging you. Wait.
I better change my tactics. Something isn't right. Gotta keep fighting. Something isn't right. Gotta keep fighting.
अबे हटो तुम यार, क्या भाई टाइम पास लगा दिया यार। ओके हमें एक नया हेलमेट मिला है गोल्डन कलर का। जल्दी यार मर जाओ भाई, क्या चाहते हो? स्पाइडरमैन की वेब कहाँ से आ गए? हटो यार, मर जाओ ना। ओह माय गुडनेस,
Something isn't right.
अरे मेरे साथ ये हीरो लड़की नहीं है तो मैं चला लूँगा।
Gotta keep fighting. Gotta keep fighting.
ओ भाई साहब, मेरा इतना लड़ लिया मैं इनसे, मेरा लेवल अप हो गया वो लिटरली। और भी है अभी, जाओ यार भाई, वेस्ट हो गया भाई, हट यार। ओ माय गॉड, गेट आउट यार, सीरियसली भाई तंग कर दिया, हट यार। खत्म ही नहीं हो रहे भाई, कितने हैं? आते रहेंगे माता चौथ, ये नहीं रुकने वाले। फिर आ गए भाई इतने ज्यादा। भाई मुझे कम से कम 30 मिनट हो गए यहाँ पे लड़ते को, ये खत्म नहीं हो रहे। ओ माय गॉड। सीरियसली गेट आउट। ओके मैं जा रहा हूँ भाई, मुझे लड़ना ही नहीं, मैं जा रहा हूँ भाई। गांड मरवाओ तुम भाई, मैं जा रहा हूँ भाई। बहुत लोग हैं वहाँ पे। अबे साला 30 मिनट हो गए भाई साहब भागते भागते। अबे फिर वहीं जाना पड़ेगा क्या? बस ऐसे निकल जाओ भाई, ऐसे निकल जाओ। लेने ही नहीं, मैं पंगा लेने ही नहीं। निकल जाओ भाई। अरे पंगा क्यों ले रहा है तू? जा ना, मार ले जा भाई। तंग कर दिया भाई इतना ज़्यादा भाई, ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहे। अभी फिर लड़ना पड़ेगा क्या? अभी और आ गया भाई। भाई साहब मैं तंग हो गया भाई, सीरियसली भाई जिंदगी बर्बाद है। ओ माय गॉड। ओ गेट आउट यार, सीरियसली। कैसे कैसे निकलना भाई? अबे क्या हो गया? साला वहाँ पे ऐसे चक्कर खाने लग गया साला वहाँ पे।
Looks like those Ultrons you took down were more than just an isolated glitch in the system.
Okay. फिर लड़ना पड़ेगा क्या? सीरियसली मैं नहीं भाई, मुझे नहीं भाई यार। भाई क्या है आइटम्स तुम्हारी? शार्प शूटर कौन से? अब इनमें अब शार्प शूटर कौन से ढूंढूं? ओके मैं एक्चुअली मरने वाला था। ओह गॉड। साला कोई तो मदद कर दे यार, अकेला यहाँ पे लगा पड़ा है। पता नहीं यार कौन से शार्प शूटर है, फिर से मुझे एक नहीं मिलेगा। मैं जा रहा हूँ भाई, मुझे नहीं लड़ना, मैं जा ही रहा हूँ भाई। I'm in charge of but something just went terribly wrong. Action activity the objection. I don't even care right now भाई। मैं ये रहा शार्प शूटर, इधर आओ सालो, तुम्हारी ऐसे ये खड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पे, जब मैं ऐसे करते साले। मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, बाय बाय, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, बाय। अरे जाने दो भाई, मुझे नहीं लड़ना। भाई तंग हो गया भाई, लिटरली इतने ज्यादा है ना।
Look, I know Fury gave you orders, and I'm not usually one to argue with Nick about, well, anything really. But if you could do me a little favor while you're looking for Hank.
चल मुझे लिटरली भी नहीं पता चल क्या रहा है। फाइट गेम में सुन लग जाता है बैठ के। F यार F मैं जा रहा हूँ भाई, मैं जा रहा हूँ, नहीं मुझे खेलना ही नहीं, मैं जा रहा हूँ। तुम्हारी सबकी ऐसी की तैसी भाई। ओ भाई तुम्हारी सबकी ऐसी की तैसी भाई। हिल जाओ भाई, वहां से हिल ही नहीं रहे, खड़े हुए हो। आयरन मैन लेट्स गो। और आ गए भाई साहब।
Just the boost I need.
सेंट्रियो सालो सेंट्रियो कमीनो। अल्ट्रॉन के ब्लास्टर। सालो सबसे बड़ा अल्ट्रॉन कहाँ पे, उसको लेके आओ। तुम साले बच्चे हो अभी। अबे फिर ये साला चक्कर खाने लग गया। मर जा मर जा। ओ लेट्स गो, नया वाला एक नया अटैक मिल गया हमको।
Gotta keep fighting. Something isn't right. Losing my touch.
लेट्स गो। अबे फिर चक्कर खा रहा है।
One of our agents informed me that the passage to the ultimate.
आई डोंट इवन नो इस गेम में चल क्या रहा है। कुछ भी हो रहा है भाई कभी भी। ओके मिशन कंप्लीट। डिफीट द अल्ट्रॉन एंड क्लियर द ट्रैक।
Touch. Something isn't right. Not so fast. Gotta keep fighting.
अरे अगर इनको कुछ बोलो ना तो ये निकल जाते हैं आराम से। कुछ नहीं करते। लेट्स गो।
Something isn't right.
ये क्या था भाई, लगी नहीं इसको। ओके मैं जा रहा हूँ, बाय 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 बाय। कभी नहीं मिलूंगा बाद में। ओके इनको मारना है।
Something isn't right. Losing my touch. Gotta keep fighting.
ओ माय गॉड, ये भाई ये चैप्टर खत्म हो गया।
Gotta keep fighting. Losing my touch. Something isn't right. Gotta keep fighting.
मैं जा रहा हूँ भाई। डेड एंड कंप्लीट। ओके बहुत हो गया भाई, जाने दो। ओके भाई बहुत हो गया। थैंक यू। और क्या है भाई, और भी कुछ है? ओके ओके कस्टमाइज। हाँ एक तो ये रखना है, एक ये रखना है। ओके तो गाइस आज के एपिसोड के लिए इतना ही। होप करता हूँ आपको एपिसोड पसंद आया हो, और अगले एपिसोड में हम लोग देखेंगे कैप्टन अमेरिका और क्या करता है अपना। और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना वीडियो को, अपने दोस्तों के इस वीडियो को शेयर कर देना। और मैं मिलूँगा आपको अगले एपिसोड में ऑफ मार्वल फ्यूचर एवोल्यूशन। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।